We wouldn't be out here today if we had hot mix in that box. Used this product 4 years, and with the many holes that we have repaired, yet to lose a patch.
Any time of the year it's usable.
Yep. Last winter, we were called to do a job, and it was 19 degrees that day. And we spent the whole day patching, no failure whatsoever in those patches. Kind of makes the believers out of those who've never used it. The flexibility in the rain, the flexibility of the material, this is kind of what sets EZ Street apart from anything else we've ever used. Whatever the temperature is outside, it really flows nicely this time of the year. It is February. We're using a 4-ton hot box. We don't really heat the material too much. We just heat it enough to keep it a little easier to rake and maneuver around. The temp on that thing may read 150, 160. I've overheated it a couple times just to see if it was going to damage it in any way. Nothing. Doesn't. You just can't hurt it. You can't get that with hot mix.
It's not cold mixing, it's ambient.